Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty's husband and a well-known established businessman Raj Kundra's recent arrest by Mumbai police for allegedly making pornographic films and publishing them through an OTT app has left many shocked. While he is in police custody and crime branch officials are recovering proof connected to the case, let's check out his estimated net worth. Well, Raj Kundra, who is also known as Ripu Sudan Kundra, was reportedly born and raised in London. While his father, Balkrishnan Kundra, was a middle-class businessman, it is said that Raj Kundra has several successful business ventures and is listed as a director in as many as 9 companies. According to reports, the 45-year-old businessman is a director of companies like Shilpa Yog Private Limited, Cinemation Media Works, Bastion Hospitality, Kundra Constructions, JL Stream, Aqua Energy Beverages, Vian Industries, Whole and Then Some Private Limited, and Clearcom Private Media. Reports suggest that his annual income stands somewhere around 120 crore and his net worth is estimated to be around $550 million, which roughly translates to over 4,000 crores. Talking about his personal life, after ending his first marriage with his wife Kavita in the year 2006, Raj tied the knot with actress Shilpa Shetty on November 22, 2009 and have 2 children together. Meanwhile, businessman Raj Kundra has now been booked under sections 420 of cheating, 34 of common intention, 295 and 293 related to obscene and indecent advertisements and display of the Indian Penal Code, besides relevant sections of the IT Act and Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act. He was arrested on July 19. Mumbai police has said Raj Kundra appears to be the key conspirator in the case that was filed in February and added that they have sufficient evidence against him. Following his arrest, Raj has been sent to judicial custody till July 23rd.